Hi, GTO3235, bringing you another quick video. Hey guys, this is part 4. I've just been doing a shitload of work today on this stock because I'll tell you, I'll explain the situation. The action in which the the action which came off the stock was an ADL. I wanted to convert it to a BDL, so I'd take a magazine. But oh my god, shitload of work. Been cutting with a dremel all day, cutting and grinding. I just managed to get this to fit. I had to cut all the sides out. But it now fits in new. Ooh, excuse me, now fits in new well. So, the only problem I have now is the front bolt, which is this one, is too short. So, I need to take a trip to the gunsmith on Monday and see if I can come up with another one. So I should have had everything today so I could be able to fire this gun, but no, I'm still waiting, but gotta be patient. So again, this is part 4. This is, at the moment, this is the only hiccup. Bits everywhere, bits of plastic everywhere. Hope you're enjoying the build. GTO3235.